welcome back to my channel. I'm Vinny. Another day, another video. As you can see from the title that today we are going to be talking about what to pack and what not to pack while coming to studies in a different country, mainly United States. Most of the time I'll be looking down because I have everything written down in this notebook, so bear with me. So first things first, let's talk about baggage. It depends mainly on the airline. So some airlines allow students to carry 2 checked-in bags and 1 carry-on, but some allow 3 check-in bags. So check with your airlines. I booked United. It only allowed me 1 check-in bag. I bring 2, but yeah, I had to pay for one, $100. So book your flights accordingly. Most of the times students are allowed 2 check-in bags of 23 kgs and 1 cabin bag of 7 kgs and also a backpack. Mine airline just allowed me 1 check-in, 1 carry-on and 1 backpack, so I paid for extra check-in bag. Okay, so first things first, what should we pack in our backpack? So the most important thing you want to carry are your documents. All the documents that you carry to your visa interview, take them with you in your backpack and make 5 or 6 copies. 2 to 3 you can keep at your home in India, and other than that, put each copy in each bag you're carrying. So like 1 in check-in bag, 2 maybe in some cases 3, and 1 in carry-on, 1 you will have in your backpack. Other than those, keep passport, I-20 and your tickets handy. You will need those things everywhere. So I carried fanny bag, so you can carry a fanny bag as well, because I think it's the most secure bag. It's always in front of your eyes, it's always on your waist, so it's more secure in my opinion. I kept my I-20 passport and tickets fanny bag. Yeah, other than documents, you can carry all your electronic gadgets like laptops, phones, chargers, cameras if you want to have any. But I would recommend don't buy them from India if you don't have one. Come here and buy one, wait for maybe Black Friday sale. You might get something good and you can buy at that time. And especially with mobiles and laptops, there are always some or the other schemes going on for free or some percent off with every every SIM provider, so like T-Mobile, Verizon, AT&T. So I would recommend to take those instead of buying new phones from India. Other than that, you can carry water bottles. So we all know we can't carry liquids inside, but you can carry water bottle. There are taps everywhere on the airport, and buying a water bottle inside an airport, it's way more expensive than anything. So yeah, water bottle. Other than that, snacks, wallet, especially cards. Keep little cash, because when I came, I had little cash and Forex card with me. So I tried using my Forex card somewhere, but it didn't work. But I had my cash, so I used cash. And also girls know their stuff, what to carry in the backpack or not. Pads or tampons, you might need them, or personal hygiene stuff, lip balm, sunscreen, creams, hand cream, whatever, masks. You can carry contact lenses and glasses. I would say to carry 3 to 4 if you have numbered glasses. So because here it's way too expensive to go and get your eyes checked and make new pair of glasses, so it's way expensive. So I would recommend to bring 3 to 4 pairs of contact lenses if you use them, or glasses, and also sunglasses. Also carry the prescription of contact glasses. Now let's talk about clothes. I will write each and every clothes numbers that I carry with me in the description box below. And also, you don't need to follow everything as it is that I carried. You can change it according to yourself. So first and foremost, undergarments, keep maybe 6 to 7 pairs of it, maybe more, 10, because you'll not be doing laundry every day. So I carried 6 to 7 pairs of undergarments. Other than that, t-shirt, lower, shorts, night suits, tops, jeans to go out, formal outfits for career fair and interviews. So shirts, pants, skirts. Boys, you can have ties as well from India. Here it's expensive. One formal suit I'll recommend to buy it from India. Some party wears, some ethnic wears, because you will be having cultural festivals here, especially Diwali, Independence Day, Republic Day celebration. Like, I can say from my experience, the festivals I have not celebrated in India, I am celebrating them here. So you need ethnic wears as well. Jackets, hoodies. So if you're going to some university in Texas, you can have your winter jacket with you, but you have to wear 2 layers of jacket to get protected from the cold. But in the colder regions, in the north side, you have to buy your jackets from here. Other than that, towels, napkins, socks, gloves, beanies, masks. I think clothes, you can think whatever you feel like that you are going to wear. When it comes to footwear, what I bought one formal footwear, one ethnic footwear, a pair of comfortable shoes for walking around campus, slippers, and I brought one pair of heels as well because I need them, but they were so heavy, so you can choose accordingly. Now the favorite thing, stationery. I am stationery addict. I bought a lot of stationery with me and didn't use half of them. So yeah, this was my mistake. Mistake number 1. Finally in the video revealed that I brought a lot of stationery to bring here, but I didn't even use half of them. So I would recommend to bring some basic stuffs like few pencils or pens and eraser, sharpener, scale, or staplers, pins. You can carry 1 or 2 notebooks, one folder that you will already be carrying in your backpack with your documents. So I don't think so you need extra file folder or anything. Let's talk about miscellaneous items and personal care items. So this part, I think this is inclined to girls more, sorry boys, but you can change the list according to yourself, whatever you prefer. So a pack of cold wax strips, or if you use them, I personally use a razor, so I bring Venus razor with me and extra blades with it, because the razor here, it's so expensive, guys. For boys, if you shave, bring your shaving kit. If you use trimmer, bring one. If you want to buy one, come here and buy one. Don't get it from India because it's electronics. Other than that, 2 to 3 toothbrush, I would say, and a travel size toothpaste, because you can get Colgate and everything here as well, so don't need to increase the weight inside your bag. So I would recommend few combs. Books, if you like to read. I like to read, so I brought 2 books with me at that time. So hair oil, I only find hair oil at Indian store here, and that too very expensive, so bring 1 bottle of hair oil. Bring shampoo sachets, so like, because carrying the whole bottles is so heavy, so bring some shampoo and conditioner sachets and buy the bottles and everything from here, Walmart and anywhere. Also bring a sewing kit. I personally bought 2 colors of the thread and 1 pin, so basic black and white. Few passport size photographs. I don't know, like I brought these. I haven't used them anywhere yet, but you don't know, you might need them, so yeah. Hard drives, pen drives, if you have it, bring it. Jewelry according to your taste. So like I'm a fan of wearing necklace, so I didn't bring that much from India, but I brought it here from Walmart. Makeup kit. Don't bring your whole big makeup kit with you. You can get very good quality of makeup here only. So your skincare products, whatever you use, whatever suits your skin, bring those, but not the big ones. Like check on the internet, if you can find those products here in US, then don't buy the big ones. But if you can't, if you use some like Ayurvedic products or like that, bring those with you. So those are important. Skin is important. Umbrella and a screwdriver. Hair dryer, straightener, if you have one, bring one. Don't buy one and bring that. Buy it here, it's cheaper. Hey guys, I was editing the video, but it's really long, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be dividing the video into 2 parts. The first part I'll be uploading today, and the second part I'll upload soon. So this time just the first part of the video. Bye bye.